brings people into the design. It allows people to really get a sense for how design makes them feel and builds like loyalty over time. So really, designers are trying to make that emotional connection, and really, that's what draws someone into an experience and allows you to kind of maneuver them through the experience in a way that's optimal for the user. So designing for young kids, it's about understanding how they think, how they consume content, how they behave, how they interact with technology, and really how to deliver them a message and content that makes sense to them and keeps their attention. So it's like designing for anyone else, right? You have to understand their behaviors. So really, like, the best way is just put something in front of them and see how they react to it. I think designers for sure have to worry about designing for future generations. You know, the design industry has really shifted. There's been a transformation in trying to solve complex problems and really doing like social good and thinking about the future and how we could do good by design. You know, design for good is huge. So it's all about like really taking that design to the next level and thinking about social responsibility and the future and how design can just make the world better over time and leaving everything better than when we got here.